Good morning. So I'm gonna vlog today. I have a lot of stuff to do today. I'm still in bed, but I have so much like planned today. I'm gonna be filming videos today, and anyways, I just want to get my day started early. And anyways, I'm gonna do, because you guys have been asking, like, my skincare routine, like my whole skincare routine. As of now, I'm still like clearing up like some acne marks and some hyperpigmentation in my face, but other than that, my skin has been really better. And I just want to mention like a skincare, like a luxury skincare that I've tested out for the past I think it's been 2 months now. It's from the skincare brand Golden Beauty. Okay, so I don't know if the lighting here is way too white, but anyways, so I want to show you guys what has been my favorite lately. So this is the deep peeling facial exfoliator. Can we talk about the packaging? I mean, the packaging is immaculate. Is really heavy. I mean, some type of like luxury. This is a luxury skincare, and look, the packaging itself is wow, like chef kiss, and it's very heavy. And I use this once a week to kind of like exfoliate my skin. And look at the products. That's the product. I'm literally almost out, because like I said, I use this, so I'm almost out. And fun fact, this has a golden powder golden flakes inside, and that's that. And then the other one that I also really love, out of 3, I love all of them. This is the Bio Anti-Wrinkle Cream, which my husband actually uses as well. But I use this mostly nighttime, kind of like switch it with my moisturizer. Every now and then I use this. So almost out as well, like with this anti-wrinkle cream. Sent me the eye cream, which is, this is the 24 karat. All of these are 24 karat skincare. This is their anti-aging eye serum, which is I also put every night. And like I said, look at this packaging. Their packaging is hands down freaking amazing. But don't worry, like I said, I'm gonna do like a dedicated skincare, to tell you guys and show you guys what product that has been helping my skin. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. I don't know when, because like I said, I'm still trying to like clear up like my acne marks. So if I'm like almost done with this, I'm gonna do like a full dedicated video of the products that it's kind of like a hit or miss, and also the products that didn't help me, because I tried so many skincare. Like I tried so many, from drugstore to luxury skincare, and I have a few that I didn't like and my skin didn't like. And I also have a few that I have a lot that I like, or my skin like. So anyways, I'm getting ready because I'm gonna be filming today. I think I'm just gonna wash my face. Okay, so I just got done filming a winter/spring haul. I'm sorry, I haven't like really vlogged, so I don't know how to vlog anymore. But anyways, so I just got done filming that, and I want to show you guys. The whole time I was talking, but I didn't hit the press record button. I don't know what's up with me, guys. Like I said, I haven't been filming and vlogging for the past couple of weeks, and this is it. Okay, so anyways, I was talking about, they sent me their new non-toxic odorless nail polish remover. I don't know what's wrong with me, but yeah, this is the packaging look like. It's so freaking cute right there. And they also sent me this right here, which is a set. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So there's like 9 nail products in here, which is, I can't wait out. But I feel like I'm gonna give this a try first, like the pop on reusable manicure first. And it's really unique because it's reusable. Some of like the pop on that you buy on the store, like you just like use it once and you can't reuse them again. But this one is interesting because I haven't heard of the reusable pop-on manicures, which is, I'll be testing this out next week, and I'll definitely let you guys know if it's any good or not. So thank you so much, Static Nails, for sending me these. And Also, one more thing. So I also received this package from Mijuri. Thank you so much, Mijuri, for sending this to me. This was, I think, last week. They sent this over, and okay, I haven't opened this yet, but okay, this is the sweatshirt. I'll be taking photos with this one, and I think I'm gonna probably like wear this today because it's really cold outside. Oh my god. So this is their golden sweatshirt right here. I told him I want the large because I like oversized sweatshirt, and oh my goodness, it's white, so I'm gonna make sure that I'm not gonna mess this up because it's white. I'm not really good with whites, but oh my god, thank you so much, Mijuri. All right guys, so I just shoot a photo. I literally just took some pictures in our garage, so I hope that turns out good. I still have to edit it out so I can upload it tomorrow. But yeah, I'm wearing the sweatshirt. It's really nice, and thank god I went for the large because I like oversized. And I'm wearing the sweat pants from Garage, the brown one. It kind of like matches, and I'm also just wearing like a Nike Air Force One shoes. So I'm on my way to my hair appointment. Supposed to be Saturday, but kind of like changes since she has earlier availability. So I'm on my way there, and I think I'll have to stop by at the grocery store later because we need some more bottled waters and some groceries. I do have to show you guys like a quick Trader Joe's groceries, just a little bit. My friend and I went to Virginia last weekend, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Trader Joe's, and I also filmed like a TikTok from TikTok. So I have like at least I think I have like 3 videos for TikTok, and I have a lot of videos that I need to edit first. So yeah, anyways, I'm also gonna do like a separate video on like my hair. The last time I did my hair, that was last year, and my hairstylist, she moved to New Mexico, so she's no longer here in Maryland, but I did find a new one. She's around my area. I think it's gonna be like a 34-minute drive, but anyways, I'm gonna try to go there early because she said she's ready when I am. But yeah, I'm gonna go there, and I'm gonna do like a separate video like just dedicated to my hair. So yeah, I'll just update you guys later. Hi guys, so as you guys can see, my hair is finally a little bit lighter. I still have another session. Like my second session is gonna be, I think, my last session. It's gonna be around April, so it's still not done yet, but my hair is a little bit lighter and blonder. But yeah, hold on, let me fix the light. Okay, so I have a Trader Joe's bag here. I forgot to show you guys. I got this a couple days ago, and I want to show you what I got from Trader Joe's. Also, the hair vlog, like hair transformation, it's gonna be by April because I want to just like, I didn't really like vlog on the first session because we were just like, me and the hairstylist were just like talking, and I forgot to vlog. But yeah, it was just a tiny clip, like it's not a lot, so I'm gonna wait on the second session so I can like just combine together and upload the, you know, hair transformation. Anyway, so I got, like I said, back from Trader Joe's, and I want to show you guys what I got here. So first things first is this low-fat granola cereal. Mixed berry, looks really good. Hopefully it tastes good. But yeah, I'm trying to eat healthy. I know it's hard, but you know, we're gonna start somewhere. Okay, so the second one we have blueberry lavender. This is flavored almond beverage. Right here, my friend actually saw this and she was like, oh my god, I cannot believe they have it. So I'm gonna give this a try as well. I do love almond milk and blueberry with lavender. Hopefully that tastes good. Let me know if you guys had this. And okay, that's that. Okay, next here is we have just mango slices. This is the dried mangoes, and I really loved it, so I ended up got 2 of this mango because I love it. I would eat this like if I'm craving some sweet, and I try not to eat like really like chocolatey if I'm not craving really sweet. So this will be like the alternative if I don't have if I want to eat, you know, sweet. So that's that. And then of course I'm so excited. I haven't tried this matcha from Trader Joe's. I normally got my matcha powder at Amazon and my regular local grocery store here, but when I saw this over there, I'm like, you got to be kidding me. I have to get that, and I ended up getting to, I think this is like $3.99, I believe. I remember. So this is the matcha green tea latte mix right there. So I got two, and hopefully it tastes good. Next one here is the chili lime seasoning blend. I want to try this seasoning, and I also heard a lot of good stuff about this. So I want to like put this on my chicken breast. When I'm gonna bake some chicken breast, I want to put this as my seasoning. And I think last but not the least, I was just talking about chocolates. So we have here dark chocolate covered marshmallows. Oh my goodness. So this will be one of my snacks as well. Oh my lord, it looks good already. But yeah, that's literally it. That's the only thing that I got. And also I did, my friend and I got eucalyptus, so I hang that on my shower. So anyway, you guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I feel like this vlog is very long. So plus I have to wash my face. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. And if you made this whole video, please like and also subscribe to my channel. Might as well subscribe to my channel if you made this far. And I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.